Okay, good morning, dear students. I am Dr. Sumita Thakur, and we are going to discuss about the first chapter of Biology, class 12th. So, dear students, before starting, I want to say that if we are determined, then nothing is impossible. If we had decided that we need to achieve and we will achieve, then there is no one who can stop us. So be dedicated, be aware, and let us ready to learn the concept of biology. That is the science of life. Life is very precious. And if we talk about the title of the chapter, that is the reproduction in organism. Okay, dear students, so firstly, we need to clear the meaning of reproduction. This is the NCERT book, and I want to discuss about the important concept of NCERT because in many competitive exams like NEET, ICMR, ICR, NCERT is the focused books. Okay, so you need to clear about the concepts of NCERT. Side by side, you need to take the help of some other books also. But in my lectures, we will discuss about the NCERT, some notes, and the important questions who have been asked in the previous year question papers of NEET, NEET, especially NEET, okay, and some other board exams also. So let us start with the zeal and have a positive attitude. So, come to the title of the chapter, that is reproduction in the organism. So, if we talk about the reproduction, it's a combination of two words, that is the re and production. Re means again, and production means to produce, to give the birth, to give the birth to the young ones of their own kind, means to produce. Okay, let me give an example. If we let us talk about the example of any factory. If it is a textile factory, then we produce many cloth stuff in that factory. If we talk about some like we can say it is a paneer factory, or some cloth factory, or some edible items factory, then we can use this word to produce. Okay, but when we come talk to the living organism, talk about the living organism, then here is the word reproduction, means to produce the organism, to give the birth to the young ones of their own kind. Here it is very important one, own kind, मीन्स अपने ही जैसे दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को जन्म देना, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. Okay, and organism, definitely we are going, I think you all are aware with the meaning of organism. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about the types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay, dear students, but before starting these main two concepts, we need to we need to undergo about some basic definitions. So first is the lifespan. Okay, again we are having two words, life and span, means the time period from the birth to the death is called lifespan. And every organism is having the lifespan. Dear students, you just underline the important lines which I am mentioning here, because these are very important according to the NEET point of view. Okay, and 100% question have been asked. If you just go for the previous year papers of NEET or some other competitive exams, you just be clear about this. These are very, very important lines, and underline these with me. Okay, so the period from the birth to the natural death of an organism is called lifespan. So, first definition we learnt about the lifespans, means कितना वक्त कितनी ड्यूरेशन, कितनी एज आपके पैदा होने से लेके आपके मरने तक होती है, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं लाइफ स्पैन। ओके, अगर हम बात करते हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म की, वी आर हैविंग वेरी स्मॉल साइज ऑर्गेनिज्म लाइक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, then we are having some sparrows, birds, animals, plants. Each and every organism is having a fixed lifespan. Suppose अगर हम बात करते हैं क्रोज की, पैरट्स की, सबका अलग अलग होता है। यहाँ पे एक मैंगो ट्री का दे रखा है। मैंगो ट्री हैज़ अ शॉर्टर लाइफ स्पैन एज कम्पेयर टू पीपल ट्री। यस, पीपल जिसकी हम पूजा करते हैं। हमारे हिंदू धर्म में पीपल को स्पिरिचुअल प्लांट, रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसकी पूजा की जाती है, उसको माना जाता है। तो इट इज़ हैविंग ए लॉन्ग लाइफ स्पैन। सो इन द नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द lifespan of various organisms. Here we go. We are having some examples mentioned in the book, and we need to find out the lifespan of these organisms. So first is elephant. I just go to the if you just you're having this NCERT notebook, and then you can see on this page some organism are being mentioned, and the lifespan of some of the organism are also given here. So let us start from the given lifespans. If we talk about the butterfly, the lifespan is from 1 to 2 weeks, right? And if we talk about the crow means कौवे का लाइफ स्पैन कितना होता है? 15 years. Then we are having parrot as having the lifespan of 140 years. Then we are having tortoise, 100 to 150 years. Okay, so now just come to the elephant. Okay, if we talk about the elephant, we are having different kinds of elephant on this earth, but the maximum life cycle is, if we are having African bush elephant. Let me mention here African, I think it's not visible, African bush elephant. It is having the life cycle from 60 to 70 years. When we talk about the Asian elephants, it is having the lifespan of 48 years. And now I am having the African forest elephant. African forest elephant. It is having the life cycle of 60 to 70 years. So just look, if we look at the average of this age, then we can say it's average is from the 40 to 70 years. तो 40 to 70 years हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं. And next is our rose plant. Rose is having different varieties, red, blue. So its life cycle as lifespan is from 7 to 8 years. Okay, next is the dog. Okay, dog, it is a pet animal of many peoples. Many peoples used to they घर पे वो रखते हैं, they just pet the dog of different varieties. So we are having, we can say it's from 10 to 13 years. Okay, then when we talk about the banana tree, just look at the banana tree. सभी खाते हैं, सबको पसंद है. तो banana tree का जो लाइफ स्पैन होता है, it's about 5 to 6 years. 5 से लेके 6 साल का इसका लाइफ स्पैन रहता है. इसके अलावा अब हमारे पास कौन कौन से रह रहे हैं? काऊ रह रही है. काऊ का कितना होता है? 18 से लेके 22 ईयर्स तक का रहता है. इसके अलावा है हमारे पास क्रोकोडाइल. क्रोकोडाइल का लंबा रहता है लाइफ स्पैन. तो घड़ियाल, इंडियन घड़ियाल भी बोलते हैं. हमारे पास 2 तरह के होते हैं, एक सॉल्ट वाटर रहता है और एक होता है नाइल क्रोकोडाइल. सो इनका जो क्रोकोडाइल के हमारे पास 2 आप देख सकते हैं. ओके, क्रोकोडाइल में हमारे पास आ रहा है, आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर नाउ। क्रोकोडाइल में रहता है हमारा ओके, इट इज़ फ्रॉम 70 ईयर्स रहता है हमारा सॉल्ट वाटर का, सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल का, एंड वन इज नाइल क्रोकोडाइल। नाइल क्रोकोडाइल का रहता है 70 to 100 ईयर्स का। ओके, सो नाइल मीन्स इट इज़ बीइंग फाउंड इन द नाइल रिवर ओनली स्पेशली। Okay, next is having horse lifespan. It is from 25 to 30 years. Then काफ़ी मतलब रहता है, लंबा रहता है इसका। नेक्स्ट इज़ अबाउट फ्रूट फ्लाई। फ्रूट फ्लाई को हम एक और साइंटिफिक नेम है इसका ड्रोसोफिला मेलानोगैस्ट्रो, जिसके बारे में इसके ऊपर काफ़ी वर्क हुआ है लिंकेज का, TH मॉर्गन ने किया है। इसका रहता है 40 to 50 ईयर्स का लाइफ स्पैन रहता है फ्रूट फ्लाई का। ओके, 42। ओके, नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास राइस प्लांट का। सीजनल प्लांट्स रहते हैं हमारे ये, और सीजनल में क्या होता है कि सीजनल है तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कम रहेगा इसका लाइफ साइकिल। अगर हम बात करते हैं, राइस की भी बहुत सारी वैरायटी हैं हमारे पास, और राइस की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो मोस्टली सीजनल है, तो हम इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं कि मैक्सिमम 12 मंथ्स का इसका लाइफ साइकिल रहता है। देन लास्ट है हमारा बैनियन ट्री। तो बैनियन ट्री के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, अगेन लॉन्ग लीव्ड प्लांट्स होते हैं ये। कुछ प्लांट तो हमारे 300 और 400 साल भी होते हैं, तो 300 ऑलमोस्ट इसका 300 तक रहता है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गेनिज्म। Okay, I hope you are clear with this concept. Now again I am repeating the meaning of the reproduction as per given in the book. So come to the definition in the NCERT book. This is reproduction is defined as the biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones similar to itself. I hope now you are क्लियर विद माई डेफिनेशन कि जब एक ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने ही जैसे सिमिलर ऑर्गेनिज्म को जन्म देता है, मीन्स डॉग जो है डॉग के बच्चे डॉग जैसे होंगे, कैट के बच्चे कैट जैसे होंगे, पैरट के पैरट जैसे होंगे, मैंगो का प्लांट में से के सीड से मैंगो का प्लांट ही निकलेगा, वहाँ से कोई बैनाना या ऑरेंज का नहीं निकलेगा। So this is called reproduction, and you know the living organism having a fixed life cycle, यानी कि वो बर्थ होता है, बर्थ के बाद ग्रोथ एंड देन डेथ. So this is a continuous process, and after and this is called lifespan. But the question is, suppose organism has took the birth, then what after that? I have mentioned growth, birth, growth and death. These are the 3 steps of life. But the question is, how it is possible? Growth, how it is possible? For the growth, we are having 2 types of reproduction, and which leads to the growth, and these are asexual reproduction, and then we are having sexual reproduction. So dear students, in this lecture, what we have discussed, we discussed about the life cycle, lifespan, meaning of reproduction, and the lifespan of various organisms. I hope you all are clear with the concept, and if you are having any doubt, just ping me up. Okay, thank you so much. Good day.